The picture we are currently looking at is an actual photo of a distribution cabinet. To better understand its terminals, let's refer to the terminal wiring diagram. Pay close attention to the wire labeled A401 on the left side of the terminal panel. By combining the information from the previous video, we can decipher the terminal wiring diagram. The first column, marked with 1, represents the numbering of the entire terminal panel. The labels A401, B401, K and C401 correspond to circuit numbers in our schematic diagram. Moving on to terminal 1, we notice the expression TA, E on its left. This means that wire A401 of terminal 1 is connected to the K end of our TA, E battery component. It's not necessary to know exactly what TT refers to at this point. Let's take a look at the schematic diagram. In the diagram for the current measurement circuit, you'll notice references to TET1, T2, and TA3. To understand these further, consult the material list, where TA1 to 6 represent different current transformers. Now it becomes clear that the wire on the left of terminal 1, labeled as A401, is connected to the TA1 electronic component at its tone terminal.